If you've ever fancied travelling to the most exciting and amazing places in the world, but don't have the time or money, you have another option. Scotland has everything. The chance to experience the flavours of the world, see sights you could only dream of, and feed your inner wanderlust. It's a wee country with a big personality. Start your around the world in Scotland discovery in Edinburgh, our capital city, once described as the Athens of the North, thanks to its ancient Greek-style architecture. Today, this magnificent and lively hub combines modern style with exquisite Georgian and, in some parts, medieval settings. Just like Rome, it's built on 7 hills, including the iconic Castle Rock and Arthur's Seat. And despite the ups and downs, it's small enough to get around on foot. Heading north, you'll see the resemblance that the Forth Road Bridge bears to San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge, and within less than 2 hours' drive, you could be roaming Perthshire's magnificent Big Tree Country, a transatlantic cousin of Canadian British Columbia. In fact, for once, ours might be the warmer of the two. Further north, the Cairngorms National Park will make you think of the Alps or the Pyrenees from the moment you set your eyes on the towering mountains. Not only is this unspoilt wilderness mind-blowingly beautiful, but also its snow-capped peaks provide the perfect getaway if you're on the hunt for snow sports or a mountainous retreat. Plus, they make excellent selfie backgrounds. Organise your travel buddies and fuel your wanderlust in the land of fascinating architecture, unparalleled landscapes, and one-of-a-kind history. To explore more, click here.